Hi, my name is Ashton Richards. I'm a sales consultant here at Veith Consulting, and today I wanted to go over one piece of the event registration system, which is going to be our reminder emails. So on the admin menu under events, you're going to do event registration. And for any of the events that you see here in our demonstration site, under attendees, there will be this REM link. This is for the reminder emails. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at this first event. So with this first event, you'll see that there are three reminder emails that have already been set up. If you want to create a new one, there will be the new reminder button up here at the top. At the bottom, we have this copy reminders from other event. So if you have another event where you set up reminder emails and you want to replicate that without having to completely rebuild the reminder email, you just select this drop down and select which event it is that you had set up that had the reminder emails, and it'll copy them. So to create a new one, you would see the exact same thing as to if you were editing an existing one. So we're going to go ahead and we're just going to edit one of these existing ones. So at the top here, you'll see the reminder name and the from name, the from email. So all of these you can change on your own. The reminder days, you're setting this on your own, and this is the days leading up to the event, or in this case, 0 being on the day of the event. If you want to set this up to be before or after the event begin date, you just have to set this here, so before or after, and this is going to dictate how it interprets this number for reminder days. You can set the time at which you want the reminder email to be sent out. There is a drop down list here of various times that you have to select from. And just keep in mind that for this, similar to the broadcast email message, this is just when it's going to start trying to send out that email. You can include event and attendee registration summary details within that reminder email. You can send it to only the attendees who have not yet paid, so you can use it as a reminder for them to pay for the event. So this could be useful in the case of using a waitlist functionality that we have with our event registration system. And if someone has now been moved from the waitlist to the actual attendee list, then you can use this as a piece to make sure that they pay for it. You can include the reminder email subject, and in here you have the text body of the email. On the right side here, these replacement keys, any of the things you see listed here, you can just input this and it will automatically replace it with that key information. So if you want to make it address the individual who's receiving it, you could do this attendee first name and attendee last name, and it will give the first name and last name, and it personalizes it so that you don't have to go through and do each email as an individual thing. Enable filtering by registration selections. So if you have people who have done certain field selections, like if you do custom fields with your event setups, you can set it up so that it flags for specific things here. If you enable this or select this box, then you can pick if it's any of the chosen fields or all of the chosen fields, and then it shows you any of the fields that can be selected for the event, and you just go through and you can just check those boxes. Then if you want to have it as an active reminder, you can set it there. If you want it to be pending, as in you're not really sure if you want or need to send out the email yet, you can set it up for pending. And then at the bottom, you just do save reminder here. So back here at this screen, you'll see it would show you the reminder name, the subject of the email, the scheduled date, so how many days before or after the event, when that is, and what time it was scheduled, the status of it as to if it was sent or if it was active or pending. If it was sent, it gives when it was sent, and then the actions, you have the edit option, copy, and this is just copying the reminder within the same event as opposed to the copying it from another event, and you have the delete option here at the end. Hopefully you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We look forward to working with you, and I hope you have a great day.